Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can embed your Base44 application in WordPress website. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to WordPress. And then here from the left hand side, you're going to select pages. And once you're on the pages section, you'll be able to see numerous pages that you have over here. So you can simply click on add a new page over here. So once you do click on that, you'll be taken over to editing the page section. So here, you're going to click on this plus icon at the top, and then you're going to scroll down and search for columns. And once you find that, you're going to simply click on columns, and then you'll be able to see columns over here. So you're going to select the 100 one. And once you select that, you're going to click on this block over here and type down your HTML code. Or you can simply click on this plus icon to add a block if you want to do so. And let's say we're going to select paragraph or anything. And then you're going to type down your HTML code over here that would contain iframe src. And then you're going to go to your Base44 and simply open the application, click on publish over here. And then you're going to click on this clipboard icon, that is copy URL. So once you do click on that, you're going to head over back to your WordPress page. And within that SRC, you're going to simply type down that URL, simply paste that down, and then you can simply publish the website. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.